Welcome back, folks. I'm Ryan Bottensack, and today we're going to show you how to make canned tuna ceviche. Now first, we need a medium mixing bowl. We will combine 2 tablespoons of minced red onion, a pinch of kosher salt, juice from 1 lime, and 1 teaspoon of olive oil. Make sure to mix it all together. We will now mix in 2 tablespoons of chopped cilantro, a can of tuna, Albacore tuna that is, and 1 medium-sized tomato. Mix it all together. Taste it if you'd like, and add salt as needed or lime juice. And now we're going to cover it up and we'll put it in the fridge for 20 minutes. It has been 20 minutes. You take a portion of your mixture that you would like to eat and top it off with sliced avocado, and it is ready to serve. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll catch you next time.